Assalamu alaikum and very warm good morning to all my dear students of class 3rd. Students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and also taking care of your health. Students, I am happy to see that many of the students are joining the online classes, and I hope who all are not joining, they will also very soon join this Zoom classes. Students, now today we are going to discuss about chapter number 17, Here Comes a Letter, part 2. Part 1 already I have sent you, and I hope that you all have seen the part 1 and completed your textual exercise. Now students, in the first part we have read about the journey of the letter की journey के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था कि कैसे वो एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस तक जाता है. Then on the page number 112 we have seen the journey of the letter picture wise. One by one we have put it the number correct order of the journey of the letter. Now we will discuss about page number 115. Okay students, so on page number 115 you will see on the screen. Okay, now you can see on the screen, if anyone has not written this postcard, anyone has not written this letter, so you can see this and write it. You have to write your full address on the postcard given below, and you have to write a small message to your friend. Here I have written the address of Mr. Hanif, Manubar Chowkadi, Bypass Road, Bharuch, and I have written the pin code also. Okay students, now इन द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आई हैव रिटन सम अदर मैटर. ये जो मैंने साइट में जो मैटर लिखा है, मैसेज लिखा है, वो मैंने ऑनलाइन क्लास में दूसरा लिखवाया था. यहाँ पे दूसरा लिखा हुआ है, बट इट डजेंट मैटर बेटा. यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग, आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. आप छोटा सा कोई भी मैसेज अपने फ्रेंड को लिख सकते हो. एंड हियर आई हैव रिटन द नेम फातिमा. नीचे मैंने फातिमा लिखा हुआ है, बट यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम. आपको आपका नाम लिखना है. सबको फातिमा नहीं लिख देना है. जिसका जो नाम है वो अपना नाम लिखेगा. ओके, now here in the message I have written, how are you, hope you are fine, see you in the vacation, respect to elders, Fatima. In place of Fatima you can write the your name and you can write the other message also. आप कोई दूसरा मैसेज भी लिख सकते हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सी एट द डाउन, उसके नीचे ही आप देखो, रीना's letter reached Delhi by train. How do you think letters reached distant places when there were no trains? जब रीना का लेटर तो दिल्ली पहुंच गया, काहे से? ट्रेन से पहुंचा. इट वॉज रीच टू अहमद बाय ट्रेन. बट डू यू थिंक when there were no trains, how did these letters go to the distant places? जब लेटर्स नहीं, ट्रेन्स नहीं थी, तब ये लेटर्स दूसरी जगह पे कैसे जाते थे? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई विल शो यू द पिक्चर. यू कैन सी देयर, this is a picture of a pigeon. Here see, yes, this is a picture of pigeon. In the olden days the people used to train the pigeons को ट्रेन किया जाता था, और उनके पैरों में, आप देख सकते हो उस पिक्चर में, इनके पैरों में लेटर को बांध दिया जाता था और फिर उनको उड़ा दिया जाता था. तो they used to go to their destination, wherever the letter has to be sent, they used to go at that place and give the letters. Okay students, so many of the kings and many of the local people also, they used to, what they used to do, they used to keep the pigeons for sending the messages. Now see the next messenger. Who is the next messenger? You can see in the picture. Here you can see, yes, now the kings used to keep the person, one person as a messenger. उसको messenger के जैसे रखते थे. आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में, उसके हाथ में लेटर है, and he used to go by walking to the other place to give the letters. And if he has to go to the distant place, उसको दूर जाना होता था, so he used to go in the horse. So this way, in the olden days when there were no trains, no aeroplanes, the letter used to go like this, by the help of pigeon and also by the help of the messengers. You can see in this picture. Now you come to know, अब आपको समझ में आ गया ना कि पहले के टाइम पे भी लेटर्स जाते थे, पर कैसे जाते थे? इस तरीके से जाते थे, with the help of the pigeons and with the help of the messengers. Now come on page number 116. You can see there is a conversation going on. What is this? What are Razia and her appa saying to each other about letter? Now these two girls, Razia and her elder sister, they are talking about the letters. You can see what is Razia saying. Appa, do you know Today we learned about the journey of a letter in the class. I want to write a letter to Nani. Now, what did Razia said? That today we have read about the journey of the letter in the class. How I am telling you about the journey of the letter. The same way, Razia has also learnt about the letter, and now she wants to write a letter to her Nani. Now, what did Appa said? You can write a letter. I am going to make a phone call. If you want, you can do. You can also come along. Now, what she is saying? What did the Razia's elder sister is saying that if you want to write a letter to Nani, you can write it. But now I am going to call her. I am going to call Nani. And if you want to come with me, you can come. Now what she said, आपा ने क्या बोला कि मैं आप तुमको लेटर लिखना है तो लिखो, पर मैं तो नानी को कॉल करने जा रही हूँ और तुम्हें बात करनी है तो तुम भी आ सकती हो. Now see, there is a textual exercise at the down. Razia and Appa went out to make a phone call from a shop in the village. Appa dialed the phone number and both of them talked to Nani. They gave money to the shopkeeper and returned home happily. Now, both Razia and her Appa, they both went to make a call. Nani ko call करने के लिए गए, and where they go at that time there was no mobile phones, so that they can talk from home only. So she went to the shop, nearby shop. There was a shop in the village where there was a telephone. So there they went and they dialed the number to the Nani, and they both talked to the Nani, and after talking to the Nani, they gave the money to the shopkeeper, and they both came happily back home. उनने नानी से बात करी और दोनों वापस घर आ गई. Where all have you seen the telephone? आप सबने टेलीफोन कहाँ देखा है बेटा? So now we can see the telephone at telephone office only. और कहीं हमें टेलीफोन देखने को नहीं मिलते, because all of us are using the mobile phones. With whom do you talk on the telephone? Now किस किस से आप टेलीफोन में बात करते हो? So we talk with the friend, uncle and grandparent. This I have written. अभी आप किसी और से बात करते हो तो आप उनका भी नाम लिख सकते हो. Okay, you can write their name also, but you have to write like same I have written. Okay students. Now see the next one. What is the next question? Which of the two do you like more? Writing a letter or making a phone call? Why? Now which of the two, मतलब इन दोनों में से आपको क्या करना पसंद है? लेटर लिखना पसंद है या फोन कॉल करना पसंद है, और क्यों? Why? Obviously we like to make a call. हमें कॉल करना ही पसंद होगा. क्यों ऐसा होगा? Because writing a letter takes lot of time. लेटर लिखने में बहुत लंबा टाइम लगता है. लेटर लिखते हैं, फिर हम उसको पोस्ट करते हैं, then the postman take it out, then it is stamped, then it is sent to by the train, and then it reaches. But by the help of the phone, with the help of the mobile phone, we can talk also, and we can also send the messages. Now see, this is a letter. This is a letter, you can see. Now this letter, you have to buy the letter, then you have to put the address, then you have to write a message on it, then you will put it in the post box, then postman will come and take it out, then it will be sent to the post office. There it is stamped, and again then it is put it in the bags, and the postal vans used to take it to the station, and then it is put it in the train where the letter has to be sent. So it is a very long process. Okay student, ये लंबा process है. Obviously no one will like this process. आज के टाइम में कोई भी इस process को पसंद नहीं करेगा. So what we will do, we will like to make a call. Okay students, we will like to make a phone call, mobile call to the whenever we like, wherever we want to talk. Okay student, so now this is a mobile phone. So now everyone likes to make a call, or we can also do the messages with this. अभी लेटर लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है ना, हम मोबाइल से ही व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं, मैसेजेस कर सकते हैं, टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ ईजियर मेथड, और वो क्या होता है, जल्दी पहुंच जाता है. within a minutes we can send the messages in 2 or 3 minutes, or if network is not there, so it will take half an hour. But the process of writing a letter is a very big process. So all of us prefer to make a phone call instead of writing a letter. Okay students, So now I hope you all have understood it nicely. This was the end of your chapter, and I hope you are not having any queries. If any queries, you can ask me in the comment box. So students, now again I remind you that complete your CW work, complete your textual exercise, as it is very necessary. In the next month you are having your exams. If your CW work is completed, then only you are able to learn it and you can give the exam. So students, I hope you will follow my instructions and you will complete your CW. Up till then, take care of your health. Allah Hafiz. Stay at home. Thank you.